So there's an ending procedure. The cleaning of the bowl?
Yes.
Okay.
저 안쪽에 커피 있습니다.
How was the experience?
It's so peaceful.
It's so serene. It's a nice experience. Hindi siya yung you'll just drink coffee, that's it. This is so relaxing. This is so tranquil and so peaceful. As you can see, as you observe yung paghawak niya ng mga cover, it's very fascinating. It's a nice experience.
Calligraphy and origami.
Yeah.
You need to slow down and enjoy the process.
Yeah. So no wonder why that's something unique about Japan. Iba talaga, kakaibang experience.
Yeah.
Hi.